Okay guys, welcome back to part 2 of my very first Diamond Art Club order. There was one more painting in here and it should be a square, and like I said in the other video, I'm pretty sure you've seen it all around. But yeah, I haven't, so here we are, okay? So, I'm just gonna pull it out. Oh wow, okay, so yeah, this is it. It is, of course, the Rainbow Dragon. There's something in there. It's probably my invoice, packing slip. Okay. So when I compare it to the other box, this is obviously a big difference. So this is a square diamond painting. This is a round one. And, oh dear Lord, it's a lot bigger. Oh my God. What have I done? Okay, so, let me show you the cutest little thing right there. Oh, I've seen this so much on the internet, on YouTube and Facebook groups. I'm not gonna go over the entire box again. I did that in my first video, so we're just gonna go in there. 51 centimeter by 61 centimeter. So let's get this plastic off. Oh, yes. These boxes I'm never gonna get rid of, okay? They're excellent, perfect condition. Okay, so let's open it, shall we? So this is what I'm looking at. So we have the canvas and we have the toolkit. I'm gonna have a quick look at, because this is a square toolkit. The other one was of course a round. So I wanna see what's what. Oh, we have tweezers in this one. But I'm guessing everything else will be the same. Oh, we have another one of these. I love these trays, like really. And lots of baggies, a 4-placer, okay, squishy 2 heart-shaped waxes, and these are the tweezers that do come with the square kit. Oh yes, the stabby kind. I love these, by the way, so that wasn't negative, that they're stabby. It's actually quite good. Okay, so let's get the canvas out. Oh, we have another sticker. I love this. This is awesome to, you know, leave it on your, if you're gonna kit it up, or if you have a book where you keep track of all the diamond paintings you do. I'm not that good. I don't do that. But if you do, that's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the box. And again we have, oh, holy sorry, no swearing. This has 48 colors. What was I thinking? So you get this big sticker, which is awesome. So you can label all your baggies or your containers with the colors. I see a lot more letters and numbers in this one, which is great. For me anyway. I'm not that good with all the different symbols. But I have to say, the fact that they give you a sticker makes it a lot easier to get up the diamond painting and start working on it. So, okay. And let's get into this. I'm gonna put the sticker in the toolkit because I'll lose that. I'm the queen of losing stuff, so. Okay. Let's get into this. 48 colors. Oh my lord. Oh, it's by Sheena Pike, by the way. She is the artist that created the cutest dragon ever. Oh yeah, this is something. I want to sleep under this. It's so soft. Okay. So I'm guessing we're starting at the bottom again. Yes, we do. Okay, so we have a legend underneath. That wasn't the case on the other one. No. We have a legend underneath. We have the little footsies. 48 colors, oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's so shiny. And it's so big. Oh my god. Okay, we get another book with the instructions. We have our diamonds. Oh, I can even get this in frame, like. Not without showing me. Oh, I can't even zoom out anymore. I've reached the max capacity. Okay. Yeah. This is something, guys. This is amazing. Okay. I just unboxed the other one, the round diamond painting, and I promised I would start working on that right away. And now I'm like, oh, I wanna do this one. No, stick to your promises. That's so, Lord, I'm seeing some ABs. See those? Oh god. Okay, we're gonna have a quick look at this. No, wait, let's zoom you guys in a little first, so I can show you the drill field. Yeah, still quite a lot of symbols, but oh my god, this is what? Can I show you this? How shiny it is. And there's no way I can show you how soft it is, but man, like puppy soft. So yeah, this looks, it looks good. Well, that's an understatement. It looks perfect. And I'm mesmerized by this, like really. All the tiny symbols, but they all look so clear. They really have their, you know, sometimes when you look at a painting like up close, you know, especially with the darker colors, they'll kind of sort of, you know, mess it up a bit and do like a dark letter on a dark color and you're not able to see it. I don't see anything like that on this this diamond painting or the other one. Okay, we're impressed. We're impressed. Let's look at the drills. Mute your phone or tablet for just a second while I open this. That's a lot of drills. Oh my lord. Okay, let's start somewhere. Shall we start somewhere? So I'm guessing these also have, yeah, the diamond art shop on the back. And the color number on the front. Okay. We're just gonna go over these. These are a lot, so I'm gonna do it quickly. Stopping here, of course. These are AB drills. They have an Aurora Borealis coating on them, which makes them 10 times more sparkly than without it. So, again, these look excellent. I don't see any sticky diamonds or staticky diamonds. This is all perfect. And so many colors. Look at, ooh. See that? Did you see that? Oh yes. Okay, okay, moving on. that's our first massive strip. Okay, we have one loose bag of the 3865. This looks excellent. Perfect. Okay, second strip. Guessing we start with some 310s, yes. So we have 1, 2, 3. Sorry for all the plasticky noises. Again, 550. 2 bags of 99. Look at this color. It's so fun. We have one more strip. Yes, I'm not kidding. So many colors. But these are, yeah, smaller strips, and they don't really hold a lot of diamonds. So, come on. This is like the most like rainbow diamond painting I think I've ever done. Well, I ordered another sort of rainbow diamond painting from Evermoment during the 11/11 sale. I want to know, did you guys shop a lot during the 11/11 sale? Let me know in the comments. So I'd like to know I'm not the only one. Okay. Oh, this is such a pretty green. This is going to be so much fun to do, even though it has so many colors. We're almost there, almost there. There. Wow. Okay, is there anything I forgot to show you guys? Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Get over it, get over it, get over it. Oh, man. I think I've shown it all. So, yeah, that is interesting. It has a small thumbnail on the bottom and the info, which, I don't know, somehow in my mind makes a lot of sense. Like, why is it always on the top? But we don't have anything like that on the top, so it just says do what makes you sparkle, and I will, I promise. Okay. Okay, we've been through this. Okay, we did it. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, just let me know if you went all out on like 11/11. I did a little. I somehow ordered a lot more paint by number kits than diamond painting kits, because I don't have a huge stash of paint by number, but I have a massive stash of diamond painting, so I guess that's why that happened. But of course I had to get an Evermoment during the sale, so yeah, can't wait for that to be here, but yeah, might take a while. But anyway, thanks you so much for watching. Please be safe, stay healthy, all that stuff, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.